Hi everyone, so today we're going to go through some binary addition. Okay, so if we just check out the slide, we can see that we've got our learning objectives up here. Take that away. So we've just, as in previous video, gone through converting binary and why we use it. So now we're going to look at addition. We'll cover subtraction in a later video, but we'll get addition done first. So the three key things you need to know with addition is that there's a few rules. So it's basically exactly the same process as how we do it with our normal numbers, place value and adding them up and then carrying stuff. It's just this time there's specific rules. So we're looking at 0 and 1 makes 1. 1 plus 1 equals 0 carry 1. So this is this does make sense because of the fact they double in the same way that if you, for example, had 5 and 5, usually you would carry it from that column into the tens. You'd carry a 1 for the 10. And then the 1 plus the 1 plus the 1 is the 1 plus 1 carry 1, because of the way that the 1 plus 1 is the 0 carry 1 because it's double. You've got that third one still, so you need to pop that in. I'll show you it clearly in a second. So what we've done is nice and simple over this side. I'll just get my little pen out. And so what we're going to look at is just adding them up really quickly. So we'll start from the right and head left. So we'll go start this side and head that way. So we'll go 1 plus 0 is 1. I hope everyone's happy with that one. So 0 and 0 again is 0 here. 1 plus 1. Okay, so this is it. You've got to remember it says 1 plus 1 is the 0 carry the 1. So we'll do 1 plus 1 is 0. And then we carry the 1. And here we see 0 and 1, but we've also got to take account of this carry bit here, that one there. So 1 plus the carry bit 1 is 0, carry 1. And then we get here. So we've got 16 plus 1 is 17, 16 plus 1 is 17. And if we look at the actual numbers themselves, they are 4 and 1 is 5, and 8 plus 4 is 12, so we have 5 plus 12 is 17, so we can see it's right. So what we'll do is we'll move on to the next example I've got. So this is the bigger one, but exactly the same process. It's not too difficult. So we have the 1 and 0, so that's fine, so we'll pop 1 there. 0, 0, again, that's quite easy, so we'll go 0. The 1 plus 1, remember it's the 0 carry 1 rule, so we'll do 0 carry 1. Ooh, 0 plus 1, but we've also got that carry bit, so that's 1 plus 1, so we do the 0 carry 1 again. And then again, 1 plus the carry 1 is 0 carry the 1. Again, 1 plus 0 is plus the 1, which is 0 carry 1. And now we have 0 and 1, and we've got that for 1 as well, so we'll do 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, and then we obviously take account of this carry at the end, so that's 1 there. The only one to worry about is if you have a 1 plus a 1, you've got a carry bit down here. So say if we had, if I just change the colour of this so you can see the difference. For example, if we had a 1 underneath here, you wouldn't do that. You would do 1 plus 1, which would be 0 plus carry 1, but we've got that 1 as well, so it would be 1 carry 1, but that's fine. You can have a go at that in a second. So just rip them out. Let's make sure. Change this. Cool. So that's fine. So on to this next one. Again, it's not too difficult, so we'll run through very quickly. So we'll go 0 and 1 is 1. 1 and 0 is 1. 1 and 1 is 0 carry 1. And then we go 0 and 1 plus that 1 is 0 carry 1 again. 1 plus 1, 0 carry 1. 0 and 1 plus that 1 is 0 carry 1. Again, 1 plus 0 plus the 1, which would be 0 carry the 1. So then you get it along here, which is 128 plus, what have we got? 128 plus 2 plus 1. We can add that up. 128 plus 2 is 130, so 131. And if we look to our calculator, we'll see that we can do that addition as well. So 1, 2, 8 plus 2 plus 1. So 131. So we've added that correctly, and then we can just check against the original. So we see 86 and 45. So we go 86 plus 45, 131. So we can see we're correct on that one as well. So that's fine. So have a go at some of these questions. You've got 5 on here. Just have a go. They shouldn't be too difficult. They're just getting you into the swing of things, and they'll be, you can think of some harder ones, or maybe do 2 8-bit numbers potentially. So you could do that, convert it. So yeah, have a go at these. I'll show you the answers in a second, so I'll give you time to pause. So I'd take a pause now. So yeah, take a pause. 3, 2, 1. Pause the video. And now we'll go through some answers. So if I go on here, we can see we've got the answer on the right hand side in green. So we've got the top one is 1, 1, 1. We've then got 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, then with 4 zeros, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. So hopefully that's made sense for you. If it hasn't, I'd go back, take another look, although hopefully it's nice and clear. I have run a video where I go through and write down an example, and you can see me work through that one. So take a look at that video if you need as well. But yeah, hopefully that should be good. So you should be able to now do addition, binary addition. So you can move on to subtraction next, which I've got another video. That's slightly more complex, but addition will be a good basics for that. Cool, so see you in the next video.